Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll show you what all features of Oxygen OS 11 or the applications can be installed on any other OnePlus device. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In this video we'll be using a OnePlus Nord which is running on the latest version of Oxygen OS based on Android 10. And also if you are installing these applications on any other OnePlus device, before installing make sure to know the version of your previous application so that if anything goes wrong you can uninstall that application and manually push the same version of your previous application. Few applications can be easily uninstalled by going inside the app info, tapping on these three dots. You will see uninstall update option. Selecting this will restore the previous version of your application. And also if you want this live wallpaper from OnePlus, and also if you want this latest live wallpaper of OnePlus, I made a dedicated video on that. You can get it on your any OnePlus device. Now let's talk about the applications. So here we have a list of applications which can be installed on any OnePlus device running Android 10. And here I have my OnePlus 8 which is running on the stable channel of Oxygen OS 11, and I have personally extracted all those applications from my OnePlus 8. And it's a simple process of installing these APK. Like, let's talk about the calculator. You just need to tap on this application and install it manually. Once you are done, you'll have the latest calculator application from Oxygen OS 11 which gives you this history option when you swipe down. Next application what we have here is contact application. Again you install it. And there we go. As you all know that most of the OnePlus system applications are being designed for one-hand usage. And that also goes for the applications like contacts. Then we have the file manager application. And this is the latest file manager from Oxygen OS 11 which we have installed it on OnePlus Nord. There are few applications which don't work and which might create issue. So right now I'll tell you to avoid messaging app because this app doesn't support on any other OnePlus device. Gallery app works fine, so I've already installed it, and here we have the latest version of Gallery app which comes with these three sections: photos, collection and explore. And it also creates stories automatically based on your weekly photos and videos. After that we also have messaging app, but I would recommend you guys to avoid this because this won't work on any other OnePlus device running Oxygen OS 10. After that you can also install OnePlus widgets. After you install, here we have all the three latest widgets from Oxygen OS 11. Then we have this weather application which is completely redesigned now, which also changes its UI as per the weather conditions. And then at last we have Zen mode, which you can easily access from the notification panel. Extended Zen mode duration which comes with maximum 120 minutes of duration. And then we also have these 5 new themes included on latest Zen mode. Along with that they have also added this new feature on Zen mode in which you can use Zen mode with your friends having OnePlus devices, where you can create a room or join your friends or family room to use Zen mode together. So guys, these were the few applications of Oxygen OS 11 which can be installed on any OnePlus device running Oxygen OS 10. If you guys want me to try out other applications, let me know the application name in the comment section below. I'll extract it from my OnePlus 8 and will give it a try. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.